Come along with me to the 2024 International AIDS Conference in Munich, Germany. I'm Maya, I'm a global health student at USC, and here with IIGH as Youth Ambassador. Let's get the day started.
Bright and early at 7 a.m., I got up, looked at the beautiful view off the balcony, got ready for the conference, had a little snack, and then it was time to go. Every morning, we've been having a morning check-in, so we walked through the forest to get breakfast, debrief, get ready for the day, and it was time to head to the conference. This morning, we started off by conducting interviews. I was with Kaya today. It's been absolutely wonderful to meet so many amazing people. Then we headed to some panels. This one was about HIV, age of access, and policy.
The next panel was a film about a man living with HIV, and it was incredibly well done. After that, it was time for a lunch break, so Kaya and I got some wraps by the water and spent the rest of the afternoon exploring the global village. I feel so lucky to be able to be here surrounded by such passionate and accomplished people. After finishing up the conference for the day, we headed home, had a nice beautiful walk next to the farmer's market, and it was time for us to explore the city. We headed on over to Old Town, watched people surf in the river, walked around the English Garden, and just enjoyed the view Munich had to offer. For dinner, after realizing that the kitchen closes quite early on in the night, we were finally able to find a restaurant that could seat us, and ended up having this delicious food. We headed on over back to the hotel, and we ended our night there. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for following along.